Going to apply for a free SSL certificate from this website. They will give a try. So I got my domain name and host name entered in here like this. Okay, by the way, this is the website ssl4free.com. so click create. Okay, so in this situation I'm going to use the DNS manually DNS verification. Okay, so he's asking me to create those txt record in my DNS manager. So this I'm going to give a try. So copy this one, and in my DNS manager I have these domains. So manage, this is my GoDaddy account. Okay, okay, I'm going to go back to my domain DNS manager here. So create the record. So in their requirement ask me to add a record, text record with this name. So apparently what we need to do, we need to remove those domains at the end, then put the value in. Okay, so here's, I can put the value in. Then it asks me to do 1 second, but I guess the minimum second will be 600. So I'm going to add it. Okay, another record, second record, txt record, add one more text record here. Then I remove the domain because it's already in. Then I need to copy this value, okay, and make it as short as possible, not allow me to save. So 600. Okay, now we have two txt record added. Okay, so it need you will need to wait a couple seconds. Here 600 seconds will be 10 minutes around. Okay, so but you can click here to verify it. Verify record found, make sure machine. Okay, it does found it. Okay, so second it found it. Okay, so we can download the certificate. Email, ask my email. Anyway, I put my email, create account. Actually it's creating account, certificate file. So basically this is optional, so we got the certificate private key already, so we can download it. Okay, so you're all good to go.